Hello fellow developers. Today I'm going over the Similar Code Tool. This tool will search globally or even at your enterprise level for code that's similar to what matches in your PR. So this is one way of seeing if you're doing duplication or if someone might be using something a little bit different. So it's a very powerful tool. I recommend you come here to the help and look more in depth and read about the flags and how to use this. But we're going to go ahead and take it for a run, and I'm going to type in here to find similar component, and this is the component that I have as my joke handler. We'll wait for the eyeballs to show that Qodo merge has picked it up. So it's made you aware of what it's searching on, so finding the similar code, the different keywords that it extracted out to find for globally, and it's actually found some different matches here. So in the workbench here, the create job handler, we can look that it's found some things with the API gateway proxy. It's also found keywords with on jokes. So this could help you understand if you're having any problems or if someone's not reusing code correctly in your projects, or if you just need to get an idea of what someone else is doing in your code to see any similarities. Thank you and happy coding with Qodo.